Good day programmers, today we are going to make a tutorial about for loop in C#. So let's go to the laptop and start the tutorial. So as you can see, I'm going to record to start the tutorial. And we will go to the Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 Professional. Click the new project. And then console application. So let's start for the tutorial for loop in C#. First things first, I will copy the code. Then paste. So the for loop has three parts. We have initializer or initial value. The second part is termination condition, and the third part is increment or the decrement. So this is the beginning of for loop, this, and the end is this. The one statement is here, yan. So before that, initializing the variable I plus 1, and it will check the condition if I less than to 10 and the answer is yes. Go to the loop and counter the statement, this statement, and then go to the loop and print the statement. So let's go to the C# to run this program. So this is the output of the program, the simple program, the looping. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So for the second part of this tutorial, we are going to make a calculator using for loop nested or nested loop. Okay, so let's begin. Let's copy the code. And then paste it. So this would be the start in the end, and for the second loop is this is the start and this is the end. This so again, this is the initial value, this is the initializer, the termination condition for the first loop, and this is the increment or decrement for the first loop, for the first loop, and this would be the second loop. This is the initializer, termination condition, and the decrement or increment. So before that, let's start to run this program. So this would be the simple tutorial for the multiplication table using nested for loop C#. And the last part of this tutorial, do not make this code or do not try this code because this is wrong. Wait, I will show you. Okay, do not try this code because this is wrong. Remember, the main function of looping is to shorten the code. Let's try. This is wrong, okay? This. Do not try this code because it has no looping.